In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace image in Adobe Express. If you're updating a design and want to swap out one photo for another without rebuilding the whole layout, Adobe Express makes that process quick and simple. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to click so you can replace an image inside your existing project with confidence. To begin, open your project in the Adobe Express editor. Make sure you're inside the design where the image already exists, since this method works directly on the image element that's currently placed on your canvas. Once your project is open, take a moment to locate the specific image you want to change. Next, click on that image. This is an important step, because Adobe Express needs to know exactly which element you want to edit. When the image is selected, you should see editing options appear, including tools in the top toolbar that are related specifically to that image. Now look at the top toolbar and find the Replace option. Go ahead and click Replace, and this will open a drop-down menu. This menu gives you different possible sources for the new image you want to use. The idea here is that instead of deleting the current photo and inserting a new one manually, you're telling Adobe Express to swap the selected image while keeping your design workflow smoother. From that drop-down, choose the source for your replacement image. In this example, the choice is Your Stuff, which is useful if the image you want is already uploaded to your Adobe Express files. If your image is stored somewhere else, simply choose whichever source makes the most sense for your project. The key is to select the location where your replacement image is coming from. After that, move to the left panel. You'll be able to browse through the files available in your stuff. Take your time to find the correct image, especially if you have multiple uploads that look similar. Once you've found the one you want, click on it to select it. Then click Replace at the bottom of the left panel. As soon as you do that, Adobe Express will swap the old image with the new one in your design. And that's it. Your image has now been replaced. This is a great way to update visuals while keeping the rest of your layout intact. If needed, you can quickly review the result and make sure the new image fits your design the way you want.